Good. So, our final lesson talking about quantifiers. We've done this already, so I'm going to move on. With just a few examples of some of the quantifier sentences that we looked at today. There are some letters over there. Some positive sentences only. There are no more questions. We use no in a positive way here, but to mean a negative. There are no more questions. There is no more ice cream. Remember, if it's a countable noun where you can add s, we need to use the plural. There are no more questions. But if it's an uncountable noun, we say there is no ice cream, because uncountable nouns are always singular. There is some milk. There are some questions, because it's countable. I haven't got any change. Remember, any we use in the negative. Now, remember this one here. He hasn't got many books. I eat too much chocolate. I just want to say, I didn't say that. That was somebody else. He hasn't got many books. Many we use with countable nouns. I eat too much chocolate. Much with uncountable nouns. And of course, if I don't eat enough cakes, that means I need to eat more cakes. Now, the really important thing we learned today was here. We were looking at some and any again. And as you know, we use some with positive sentences. We use any with negative sentences. And we use any with questions. But here's the standard thing. If you don't know if you need something, but you don't know if the person has got any, we say, have you got any? Always we use any as a question. However, if I have got some pens, for example, and I want to offer you some pens, I can say, would you like some? Would you like some? Because I've got some. So although I'm asking the question, I would say the best thing to use, in my opinion, is some. If you want to say, would you like any milk? It just doesn't sound good. It just doesn't sound what an English person would say. If we have got some and we want to offer you some, I say, would you like some? Because I've got some, okay? It's the same here. I've got some fruit, so how about some fruit then, yeah? I'm offering you some, because I've got some. Here's the other strange one. I'm asking if you can buy bread, but because I want some, and I want you to go and get some bread for me, because I want you to get some bread, I'd say, can you buy some bread? So we use some as a question if I want you to do something for me. I want you to get some of something, okay? So this is a little bit strange. It goes against what I've taught you. Some for positive, any for negatives, any for questions. But there are some differences here that you need to make a note of. Okay, thanks.